cough followed by sneezing is a very interesting rubric which I have used in practice because it is very peculiar. Now cough, as you remember, can come from the itching in the throat or the larynx. But imagine it coming after a sneeze which originates in the nose. Cough can even come from a lower respiratory tract. But this combination of a deeper symptom followed by a superficial symptom is very interesting and very peculiar and a keynote rubric for prescribing. And hence sneezing, which ends in a cough with remedies like agaricus, belladonna, carboveg, hippursulf, justitia, lycopodium, natrimur, rumex, senega, sepia, sulfur. So I have very often prescribed on this.